One morning you wake up as the richest person on earth. A trillionaire. Numbers stop meaning anything. People think this is freedom, but nobody tells you the truth. At this level, money doesn't expand your life. It starts consuming it. The first few hours feel incredible. Your phone won't stop ringing. Every news channel is talking about you. The entire world is watching. Then you walk toward the window and see hundreds of people outside, cameras, security vehicles, strangers waiting for you. And suddenly you realize something terrifying. You'll never walk alone again. Even buying coffee feels like a military operation. Security arrives first, then the cars, then crowds start gathering. And everyone wants something from you. Investment, attention, help, power. Your contact list starts changing in strange ways. People who disappeared years ago suddenly text you again. Some pretend to love you, some fear you, but most people just want something from you. After a while, you stop knowing who's real. Because you're not a person anymore. You're an opportunity. The houses get bigger. The tables get longer. But the conversations get smaller. One night, sitting alone at a massive dinner table, you realize something strange. Even silence doesn't feel natural anymore. At this level, money doesn't buy you time. It makes everyone fight for your time. Even your minutes have price tags now. In meetings, everyone laughs. Everyone agrees with you. Everyone nods at the same time. Then one day you look in the mirror, and your own face stops feeling familiar. Because even the most powerful people on earth can't buy one thing: a normal life. You can't go grocery shopping anymore. You can't sit in a park. You can't disappear into a cafe. Every room changes when you walk in. Every conversation shifts direction. People stop acting like themselves around you. And that's when the real problem begins. Because the human brain was never designed for unlimited power. Eventually, your mind starts suspecting everyone. Who's genuine? Who's acting? Who actually sees you? Then you start looking through old photos. Your small apartment, your normal friends, the days nobody knew your name. And strangely, that life starts feeling more real than this one. Because happiness isn't always about what you gain. Sometimes it's about what you never lost. And when you become a trillionaire, the first thing you lose is your humanity.